We are back at 6:45 on your Monday morning, and this is really important because today is the day. Of course, we are talking about tax day, so get that paperwork filed or make sure you request an extension at least by the end of the day.
The total number of returns the IRS received this year so far, 91.3 million through April 1st, but they say that's down about 2% from last year. So this tax season, you're going to need to account for the advanced child tax payments and the return of the recovery rebate credit. Because of the credits, the tax refunds are averaging $3,226 so far this season. That's about 11.5% higher than last year, it's according to the IRS. All right, some things to know about today. The IRS has extended the tax deadline to May 16th for the victims of the Marshall Fire. Today is the deadline for requesting an extension otherwise, which gives taxpayers until October 17th to file their returns for 2021. However, there is no extension for payments. You have to estimate your payments and you have to send in the money. If you think you owe, it is recommended you send in that payment by today to avoid interest and other penalties. So if you're getting a refund and a file late, there is no penalty according to H&R Block. But if you owe the IRS and file late, that's when the penalties kick in. TurboTax says the minimum or maximum amount, I should say, taxpayers can be penalized is 25% of the amount that is due.
And according to the IRS, individuals who did not qualify for a third economic impact payment or they got less than the full amount may be eligible to claim the recovery rebate credit. Now, for those who got some money, the IRS says you'll need to know the total received to calculate the correct rebate credit and avoid processing delays there. As for that child tax credit, the IRS advised families to hold off filing taxes until they received IRS letter 6419, which can help them file an accurate return and avoid those delays. Make sure, though, that you check your records before you file. We can't stress that enough. Let's get back over to Keely with another check of your forecast.